My name is Lee Snyman, and my sister's name is Luanique.
Hi guys.
And we just started a YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel's name is Snyman Family. And we hope you guys like our videos and subscribe and share with all your friends. So for today's video, my sister is going to Q-Tex my toes. And this is the color that we are going to use. It's like a dark blue. And tomorrow I must wear shoes because the children is going to say my toes look like a girl's toes. So I'm not going to show how my sister is doing it because she can't really do it. But I will show the last toe. Okay, so let's get started. Last but not least, the last toe. I'm going to get in big trouble.